In today's fast-paced business environment, efficient asset management is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. Meet Worldwide Holdings, a firm struggling to keep up with growing demands using outdated technology. This is the story of how DevIT transformed their operations with our cutting-edge solution, ePort 365.
Let us share our latest success story, the ePort 365 project, which we have done for one of the biggest asset management company in US.
So when I first personally approached Mr. John, the facility manager of Worldwide company, he explained me all the challenges and major roadblocks that he was facing with his legacy application to manage his huge asset inventories.
The current platform was limiting their ability to tailor the journey of asset management system. They needed more flexible and customizable solution based on new technologies.
Our team learned about clients' business problems, and we tried to understand their need and pain, and then we charted out the roadmap about their future plans.
After multiple Scrum meetings and client coordination, we realized that to build the custom application from ground up was the only solution to meet his requirements entirely.
The design process was crucial. That's why we focused on creating more intuitive and user-friendly interface that would streamline the workflow and make asset management journey more cost-effective.
Together, we developed the ePort 365, the solution which not only bypassed the limitation of the previous system, but we have developed the advanced features like customization and automation. The solution is deployed on a secure cloud.
The results have been impressive, and our client, Mr. John, has seen a significant elimination of costs that was incurring in annually maintaining and managing the assets inventories. Therefore, I can say that DevIT has given ePort 365 as a brilliant solution for Worldwide company.
This project came with the challenges to check my team's ability to deliver an innovative solution to solve real-world business problem for such a big enterprise from New Jersey.
We are proud to have been part of our client's success journey. We are equally excited to help our client by helping them achieving in their goal through cutting-edge technology.
But don't just take our word for it. See directly from Worldwide Holdings on how DevIT and ePort 365 revolutionized their business operations. At DevIT, we believe in actions speaking louder than words. Partner with us today, and let's take your business to the next level with ePort 365. Book your free trial now at www.devit.com.